Smoke both of them.
Man, wait, what?
Yeah, that's that noise you was hearing. It blew the sub open.
Oh, I thought that was the actual trunk rattling.
No, yeah, it just blew it.
Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Messy now, so.
It's all right, man. Very nice. Is this 70 or 80 amp hours right
70.
here? Okay. Sweet. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, I broke the damn trunk demoing for somebody. So somebody's gonna have to sit on the trunk.
Oh, it pops up while you're playing.
No, it broke when I played today.
Your latches are breaking it. Wow. So can you tell me what's in here real quick?
Alright, so it's two ZV512s on a SCV 7500.
Yep.
At half ohm.
Okay.
And that's on the mids and highs is Sylvesters and two Sylvesters, no, four Sylvesters, Audio Legion tweeters.
Okay.
And on the Addictive Audio 13.5.
All right. All right.
Hey.
All right, he's about to give me a demo. Hey, give him a like, even though it might not look the best. Still, he's gonna be able to play it, and it sucks that he broke his trunk, but we're about to see how it sounds, man. He's got his friend actually sitting on it while we get this demo, so we'll see how it sounds. So one thing I'm curious of before we get the demo is what made you have the subs in the box back instead of forward? Like, why didn't you put the electrical behind it?
Well, it was behind it.
Okay.
But it was taking up so much space in the trunk and it was blocking the port.
Yes, sir.
So we moved it up front, and this all got done in a day.
Oh, so good, man. You got it playing, though.
Yeah. So right now, that's why I say it's kind of messy, but we're gonna try to clean it.
All right, man. Yeah, I'm ready.
And it's doing sealed 49.3 sealed.
Very nice.
All right.
One second. Dude.
Smoke both of them.
Man, wait, what?
Yeah, that's that noise you was hearing. It blew the sub open.
Oh, I thought that was the actual trunk rattling.
No, yeah, it just blew it. God dog. Hey, well, it was working. You in the car. So it was working.
I would not say that. That's not good either way, man. I'm sorry. Hey,
Hey, it's all crazy, man.
I thought the trunk was rattling like crazy, man.
Yeah, it was. It started rattling. And when I heard it, I turned around and looked. I said, the damn thing just came through.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man.
You just blew us up on camera. Hey, thank you very much, man. That sucks, though, man.
That's all right, man.
How long have you had the subs? You got some use out of them, or are they newer?
I've had them for about 6 months.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
And I just did the meter yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So
you might have already had some kind of issues on it before.
See, I poked the hole in that left sub.
Yeah.
And I E6000'd it. But yeah. Man, that was fun though.
It was fun, okay. Hey, at least you made it through the show too. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you. What was your name again?
Corey.
Corey. All right, Corey.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. Hey, thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.